It's a bit cruel, but not much you can do about it, is there? Oh, the poor girl. Hello. You got any hiccups? Yeah, obviously. That's a yes? Hey! Hey, Gesundheit.
Aww.
Lydia, did a hair thing so I can get it in slow motion again.
The hair thing? Yeah.
Come on, baby. Quick.